how does it feel na ma-reject? As I was prepared for what gonna be happening, I'm ready for rejection or acceptance. So, ayun, I'm glad that I'm okay right now. Reject man tayo, pero masaya tayo. At least we tried, and thing is, I prepared myself. Whether it will be okay or not, we will not be sad because we are prepared for rejection, if ever. So, it's better to be prepared than to expect to be very positive. Tutuwa ako na, hindi ako natutuwa na na-reject ako. What I'm saying is, I'm happy that okay yung heart natin, okay yung acceptance natin, kahit na na-reject tayo. I'm just happy sharing with you guys na okay tayo, hindi tayo like iiyak, hindi tayo parang bad trip. Lalo na ngayon, umagang-umaga, tas ngayon ko lang nalaman yung answer that, oh, I was rejected. So, even umagang-umaga, I can say na it doesn't matter. Like, na-reject man tayo, na-receive natin yung in the morning, pero we are not affected. We will not allow it. Parang hindi siya big deal sa akin. Na-reject man tayo, pero okay lang. At least we tried, di ba? So, yun lang. Gusto ko i-share ang aking live story for today. Alas 7 na, pero uuwi pa lang ako. Pero yan, look at my face. Hindi tayo disappointed. Okay tayo. So, yun lamang ang aking live story.